U-Haul near me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can find out U-Hauls near you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you live in some remote area on the country, on a, let's say countryside or somewhere like that, and maybe U-Haul is not available near you, but you can still figure out if it is available or not by going to their website, because the website has all the data. So you can go to uhaul.com here, and when you go to uhaul.com you will see trucks and trailers. All you have to do is enter your pickup location. So the nearest pickup location, if you live in Arkansas, you can just try to type in Arkansas over here, and then you should be able to see if that is actually available or not, and you can just enter it. If you don't have this one, you can select the nearest option as well, which is going to be our pickup location. This way we can figure out which one is nearest to us. Now we can enter the pickup date, tap the get rates option. You'll be able to see different types of trucks that are available, and once you select a type of truck that is available for you, you can just tap the select option here, and once you tap the select option, you should be able to go ahead and then enter other details, and you will be able to see different types of pickup locations from where you can actually pick up those trucks and so on. And this way you should be able to find U-Hauls near you. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.